Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the mood for a swipe, I was going to say, but I'm always in the mood for a swipe. So I'm going to take my favorite colors and put them in a line and swipe them. Maybe not a straight line, but a line. And this is my hot orchid. That was color shifting purple flash from Folk Art. And this is an orange. I don't know what this is. Probably an orange from Hobby Lobby. That's probably exactly what that is. This is a little bit of Folk Art color shifting red. And I am being called to, that's the same color. I'm not doing that. I'm going to put either white, I think it's going to be this, that paint. And I've got other colors on standby should I happen to want them. I am going to put a little bit of Anita's white metallic in here. And it occurs to me that I have wanted several times today a much lighter orange color, which is usually my yellow, with a little bit of orange mixed in. And I hope that works. I'm going to grab the swipe card that I just grabbed, which is a favorite of mine. And I want to do white on one side and black on the other, but I'm going to start with the black. This is, that was paint. Get that off of there. This is Amsterdam Black. My cell activator recipe will be underneath, shown more underneath the video. Now if I use a different card, then I can find out if I like the white on the other side. I really want to do that too. Let's grab another card. I might want to go every other one, but I don't know it until I try it. Let's go back to the black. This could be really cool. We'll find out in a minute. Those are my colors. I could drag a single line down through that white, and that might be really neat. Let's go. So I only need on this end. This might be really neat. I might love this. Such a simple concept. Let's wipe off the end, on the end. Let's wipe off the card on the end. Yes, I'm so articulate right now. Grab a little more white. When using this Amsterdam white formula, you really need a copious amount of it in order to get the cells you're after. Just going to keep using the colors I like to fill in if I need to. And I'll probably have some left. So one more black, and then I have to think about what I'm going to actually do next. I've got a little extra there. Which I think I'm just going to bring down in both directions. Okay, so that might have been a little bit touchy. So if I put the white in the black and the black in the white, that might be interesting. I don't know if it's a good idea. So far I'm not feeling it. Got some black left over to use here. I kind of like that yellow there. No, I'm not going to mind it. I'm going to use the other side of the card. I maybe would have liked a thinner line, but I think I'm still going to like it. I think I liked it originally best, but I think I'm still going to like it. Yeah, it'll balance out in the end. I've got a tag at the end of my swipe card. Gotta go. Gotta wipe that paint off the scissors before it sets there too. Alright, one more and I'm going to be calling it good. Kind of want to put a black line down the middle of a couple of these, and or a white one. We'll see what happens. All right. Now's my time to think about this. Whether I want to put anything else in here. Boy, I'm having a hard time choosing that. I don't hate it. I don't love it either. I might like it in a minute. Hard telling, not knowing. So I love you guys. There's 93,000 of you subscribed to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're not subscribed, please feel free to join us. We'd love to have you. And those of you who've been here the longest, I love you the most. No, I'm kidding. I love you all. Check out my end screen video. The exhibition video that changes every single month has the prizes for the monthly drawing included there. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing, then a contribution through PayPal or Patreon, whose icon is on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right-hand corner. It's the way to go. Yep, okay. So that wasn't a mistake, and I'm pretty happy with that. Those colors are fab. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Try not to stick my finger in too many things that it doesn't belong in. I don't like blobs on the ends of my lines. So if I run a skewer through, that sort of changes it. And I think I want to push it right into the other side. I just don't necessarily want the black. There we go. The black has become sort of purple. I'm missing a line, but I'm not sure I want one there. So I'll just drag a line through anyway, so it matches everything else, which is, I don't do matchy-matchy usually. Well, sometimes. Okay, so that's it. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I am going to torch. I had a dry canvas. I thought I could wipe those. If I want to, really? That's what I get for having paint on my fingers. I can take care of those if I want to tomorrow. I probably wouldn't mind putting some gold stripes in between too, but I really do like the colors, and the patterns are fantastic. And I got to play with both the black and the white Amsterdam cell activator, and I'm very pleased with all of my patterns. And you guys, I love you guys. Thank you for inspiring me. You inspire the heck out of me. Look on my link tree. The first blue link under the video will have Le Gallerist at the top of it. That's the clothing made in Montreal that's going to be stunning with this on it when I finally sell enough to be allowed to post some more designs. but I do have some of my favorite designs there already. If it's out of your price range, check out the spring clothing underneath the video. You can follow any of the posts there, and they'll take you to my store and show you all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I want to zoom in. The blacks are my favorite, but the whites aren't too far behind because this is awesome. I'm just learning how to use the Amsterdam white. It's a slightly different recipe than the black. I am totally smitten with this. Check out my community board for tomorrow's video. Check out my Facebook group, Expressionist Art. Woohoo! Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation. You can find it on the link tree with the other ones. The other ones are Expressionist Art. That appreciation group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes, and more will take you to Shop Now will take you to fineartamericandpixels.com for even more cool stuff. Less expensive, less elaborate. Lots more of it though. Lots and lots. You can find a coffee mug or a yoga mat or a duvet cover or a pillow or a shower curtain. I have a duvet cover I want. I wish I had these colors in my bedroom because I want one of these. Anyway, you guys can always ask me for whatever you're interested in. If you can't find it, I can add it. Thank you for your wonderful comments. You keep my morale boosted. Thank you for your donations that help keep me painting all this time. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link on the link tree for my 2 books, because I can in Unlimited Possibilities. And anything you buy from that Amazon link helps me eventually purchase more art supplies, and that's really helpful to keep me working here. If you want to keep me working here, that's a great way to do it. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. When you click show more, you will find my email address directly under the link tree and those paint pouring recipes. And should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or inquiring about the purchase of an artwork, use the email address and the hashtag and the file number found in the title of the video. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I love you guys. Thanks for the thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share my videos when you think you can. If you watch the commercials, it helps me out. If you watch the videos longer or all the way through, it's a huge assistance to me. So thank you guys for all that you do and all the love you send, and I'm sending it right back to you. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going, woohoo! This is cool. Bye for now. I'll see you on. Oh yeah, there's over 2,000 videos on playlists. Check those out. And I post 7 days a week. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. It's at 10 p.m. too. Phew, almost forgot about that. I'm sure I forgot something. But I don't forget to love you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.